पहिलो हाफमा 3-5 मिनेटमा प्रवेश गरेका छौं कृतिश with that wonderful magical foot Hisazi can make it too and he does दोस्रो पटक गोल गर्दै आफ्नो टिमको लागि जित दिलाउन सफल there you go Amar that was what we were expecting
Jauni ball he's on the ball he's on the spot
and another man there
Sergio Barbosa connect हुँदै Jauni सँग wonderful footwork Jauni pass दिँदै oh there you go calm down I am here
They giving it to Barbosa ले right hand side में हमें मारेका छन् कुलदीपलाई फेरि पनि मौका Barbosa का hat trick yes it's a hat trick a beautiful hat trick there you go Barbosa is celebrating the Lebanon striker Hisazi is celebrating the whole of Thamgadi is celebrating